Now let me talk about this tea stall. Tashlet. आप आ रहे हो वहाँ पे?
हाँ जी।
चाय पीने?
कल हम लोग वहाँ खरोटा गया।
कल हाँ मुझे तो बताया नहीं।
6 लोग है ना, 10 लोग है, खरोटा बोलते हैं यहाँ।
पिकनिक को।
हाँ जी। अभी आप जा रहे हैं?
अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ और
ठीक है।
चाय पियेंगे उनके साथ।
हाँ।
आप भी आ जाओ।
अच्छा जी।
तशlet.
आएगा थोड़ी देर बाद।
हाँ थोड़ी देर बैठा हूँ मैं।
हाँ जी। अच्छा जी।
So let's talk about that tea stall and the man who runs it. His name is Lalit Chacha. He is from Uttarakhand state. I've spoken about him before on my prior vlogs in this series. He is a very kind man, and I've been meeting him and seeing him and sitting down with him, talking to him for the last 5 days since I'm here. Every morning I've had tea there. So I have come to know him, that his kindness is genuine. So I want to do something for him before we leave this place, to make his day, to to make his day, to give him something as a token of appreciation for his kindness and the person that he is. Let's see how he takes it. We'll sit down, have tea, wait for the momola, and then we'll move on. Join me at the tea stall. थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आता है. आप थोड़ा सा वहाँ देखो.
ये क्या है?
Have some.
It's good.
Do you want to buy this? It's not easy to sell. उनकी एक फोटो ले सकता हूँ क्या मैं? किसी को मिले तो आप ताशदले बोलते हो. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? Again we are flaunting the Tibetan yak 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 t-shirt. यहाँ पे best Tibetan restaurant कौन सा रहेगा?
Tibetan restaurant.
You missed the place.
We missed the place and want to go back.
And that's a yak. No, that's not a yak. That's a buffalo. We are not in real Tibet. We are in Little Lhasa, the mini Tibet of India. And this is the tea stall. Tashlet. And this is the familiar dog. Hello. कैसे हो चाचा?
गुड मॉर्निंग. बढ़िया.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
तैयारी आज?
बस हो गई तैयारी. अब यहाँ से सीधा
धर्मशाला
निकल जाएंगे. चाय बना देना. अम्मा मिली थी आगे रास्ते पे.
हाँ उधर बैठे हैं.
वो बोले आ रहे हैं थोड़ी देर में, तो अगर आ जाते हैं तो मिल के जाएंगे, अदरवाइज तो मिल ही लिए.
तिरुंड ले जाएंगे अगले बार.
तिरुंड. हाँ अगले बार ही देखने की.
ट्रैकिंग पॉइंट है ना, उस समय मौसम अच्छा रहता है.
He was telling me that next time I come we will go to Triund trek. This time I did not do it because it takes about 5 hours to reach there and about the same time to come back. So people don't generally come back when they do this trek called Triund trek. They stay over. Now out of the 5 days we did not want to waste, or rather spend 2 days on that trek, because that trek would make one vlog. So I can't afford to spend 2 days for one vlog, because we have to make a lot of content. And then that trek is not about Tibetan culture, right? So that's what we're here to explore. So next time we will do the Triund trek. चलो चाचा, अब बारिश आए उससे पहले मैं निकल जाता हूँ. आपकी एक अच्छी फ़ोटो लेनी है मुझे. थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ, थोड़ा स्माइल कर दो अच्छे से. अच्छी है ये. चलो अब धूप थोड़ी जा रही है तो मुझे लग रहा है कि बारिश आ सकती है. So let's get going before the rain comes, because we don't plan to take our umbrella with us today. छाता मैं यहीं छोड़ के जाने वाला हूँ, ठीक है? छोड़ जाना? हाँ, कि वो सब बहुत हैसल होने वाला है. चलो फिर ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे. पैसे तो आप मांगने नहीं. ऐसा नहीं. ऐसा नहीं क्या? पैसे तो लेने पड़ेंगे. नहीं.
फोन पे टच रहेगा।
नहीं
तो है आपका।
ये ले लो,
नहीं 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 नहीं,
ये ले लो आप।
ये फिर
अरे
वही
रखो
बात,
आप।
देखिए ये फिर वही बात होगी।
अरे ले लो भाई, ले लो। अब होटलों में हम जाते हैं तो टिप विप करते हैं ना अच्छी सर्विस के लिए, तो आपके साथ 5 दिन बैठे तो बनता है।
ठीक है,
ठीक है,
ठीक,
चलो चलो चाचा,
बाय।
मिलेंगे अभी अगली बार। हाँ हाँ जरूर। नाउ लेट्स वॉक टू मैक्लॉयडगंज एंड देन have the last Tibetan tea, the butter tea. Bye bye. I'm leaving today. हाँ
Where you give? Go back Bangalore.
हाँ Bangalore
Yeah, today.
today now. I'll have butter tea and then go.
Yeah.
I'll go there now.
Okay.
Yeah, see you. Very nice to meet you guys. Now let's have the butter tea and maybe some breakfast as well. And as I'm walking up the street, Nawang Dechen, the lovely woman who's selling Tibetan snack at McLeodganj Square, was following me to give me some amdo bhale for the journey. She came running behind me.
This pancake.
ये क्यों?
Yeah.
Huh?
Bye.
For what?
No. Yes, bye.
Okay. Every time she gave me food, she refused money, and I always paid her by force. But this time she caught me by surprise, and I had no words to say to her. Maybe it's good I didn't pay her for the bread. She's a giver, and would have been troubled if I had prevented her from giving. It is at this moment that she became my favorite Tibetan in McLeodganj. Alright guys, so if you are watching this vlog for the first time, then you may not get the context. I know her, I've spent time with her, and now I've said my parting words to her at McLeod Square where they sell all these things. And then I'm going up this alley to have my butter tea, and then she came behind me to give me this for the journey. What can I say? Tibetan people, amazing people. Wow. Let's have butter tea here. Hey guys, this seems to be a better spot so that you get the view of the cafe in the background and I get my lighting. Now we will have this thing with our butter tea. Look at this. It's a little oily as well. Wow, this is something different. We've not had this. We've had a version of this maybe, but this is different. It's little oily and somewhat sweet. एक butter tea चाहिए और हाँ बस वही. I was thinking I'll have some breakfast also with the butter tea. I mean, to something for eating. And now we got this. So we don't need anything else. We just have the butter tea. ये टिबेटन ही है ना कैफे? हाँ जी. आप टिबेटन हो? आपका नाम क्या है? टुंडू. टुंडू. मेरा नाम दर्शन. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? आमदोबाले. आमदोबाले यही है ना? हाँ जी. So this is आमदोबाले. Just check it. Amdobale that we got for free. And now we have the tea. So let's have the Amdobale. with Tibetan butter tea, the last breakfast in Little Lhasa. So you're the owner
Yeah.
of this cafe. Let's have a little chat with him. What do you have? This is also Amdobale, right?
No, this is
Bali.
Tibetan bread.
This is Tibetan bread.
Yeah.
Okay. So you were saying something.
Dharamsala is a little bit different type of thing. So over here, the air is very fresh.
Hmm.
One of the most important thing. Other thing is you will get peace of mind
Yeah.
over here. No crowd, no high buildings, and you can have greenery views wherever you go.
Yeah.
So it's one thing, and for us, His Holiness' presence is most important for us.
Hmm.
So over here, Dharamsala is usually popular due to His Holiness Dalai Lama. So most of the tourists come here, enjoy all the views. It's the biggest thing.
How old are you?
I am 45.
And you came from Tibet?
Yeah.
Or
I
you
came
born
from
here?
No, I came from Tibet.
You came from Tibet.
Yeah.
How old were you when you came?
I was 5 years of age when my parents brought here.
So do you remember Tibet?
Yeah,
Your childhood?
little.
So how was it there?
Regarding our area, it's not that much big. It's very calm. Waters are very clean, and
Do you miss the place?
yeah. We missed the place and want to go back.
You want to go back?
Yeah.
Amazing. This is not a breakfast vlog or food vlog. So I'm not going to show you anymore.
Like I can easily
I think
differentiate between
this is it from Little Lhasa. We're leaving now after this tea and Amdobale. I'll take a cab to the airport and we're done. Tomorrow is Monday and I'll be posting the first vlog tomorrow. Of course, when you're seeing this, it'll at least be 3 months, I guess, from today. So doesn't make sense me saying that I'll be posting this tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the series where you already watched it, and let me know how you liked it. Comment. I would like to hear what you liked, what you didn't like, how you would like me to improve. Give me all the feedback that you have. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget the beautiful bell icon. Cheers. Do you still have relatives there?
Yeah.
And are you able to be in touch with them?
It's very difficult.
Difficult. Yeah, that's what everybody
It's a
says.
great pressure inside Tibet. So those who are in Tibet, they are not allowed to come outside, and those who are outside, it's great danger to get a link with them because they get trouble.
Yeah, of course. So the relatives who are staying in Tibet, they can get in trouble if the people staying outside try to get in touch with them for political reasons, which we don't want to talk about. But everybody knows